Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 8th grade concept of ordering numbers. This is standard 8.2D in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 27, which is a new item type called multiple select off the redesign practice online STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So multiple select, we have to select two answers, right? So if we try to select a third one after we've selected two, you'll notice that I'm highlighting it, but it will not allow me to select three answers. And if I were to try to answer this with just one, you would get an error message that says you have not solved every part of the problem. So let's make sure we get two answers here. We've got a pentagon with some really strange side lengths. Not quite sure why anyone would want to label a pentagon with these side lengths. But we just need to find two correct statements. So we got shortest, longest, greater than, less than. Okay, you know what? Let's do this. First, we are definitely going to need our calculator. But then let's get our graph draw feature here. I'm going to increase my transparency a little bit. There we go. Let's just get these in order. Let's go ahead and convert these into decimals. I find decimals to be the easiest, right? So I've got square root of 325. So we're going to hit that second. Then we're going to hit the x squared button, which actually gets that blue square root, 325. All right, so I'm going to just go to the hundredths place, right? So 18.027 rounds up to 0.03. All right, 18 3/5 should be pretty easy. If we need to, right, we can go ahead and convert 3/5, but that's just 6/10, right? So 18.6 6/10. I'll go ahead and make that 0.60. 17.99 is already in decimal form. See how easy that is. And then I've got 18 5/12. All right, I might not have my 12ths memorized, so we can just do 5 divided by 12. So we'll do 18 5/12. It's going to equal 18.416 rounds to 42. And then I've got square root of 290. Two different square roots. All right, so you know what? Let's do this. Let's see, 18 5/12, so we already got that one. So let's do our square root of 290. All right, so there's our first step, right? Let's just get all of these into decimals. And then we can evaluate each of these statements as correct or incorrect. 0.02 is going to round to 0.03. Okay, so the shortest side of the pentagon, so now we're looking for the least, right? The smallest. Has a length of square root of 290. All right, so is this one right here our smallest? Yeah, that's our second smallest right there. But if we're going to go to least to greatest, that's definitely the least. This one up here is the greatest, right? So yeah, this one actually works. So we will check that one in just a moment. So we need just one more. All right, the longest side is 8 5/12. No, it's the second longest, but the second longest is right here. It's this 18 3/5, right? So now we're just evaluating each of these. And so this one is incorrect. Now we just need greater than or less than. All right. So square root of 325 is greater than 18 3/5. So in decimals, that's 18.03 is greater than 18.60. Nope, definitely not. It's less than. So that's incorrect. Let's check 17.99 is less than 290. That is 17.03. No, it's greater than. So it's got to be this last one, right? 18 3/5. That's 18.60 is greater than 18.42. Aha. Yeah, see that 6 in the 10th place is larger than that 4 in the 10th place. So it's this last one that is correct. So we are going to select the first and the fifth options.